gotta be citation lengthwise.
Definitely a big one.
I can tell where you hit it, you know?
Yep.
Damn, dude.
Damn, look at the head on that fish. Look at the head on that motherfucker. You got him? She comes my way, I'll pick her up. Oh, deep. Barely hooked. Look at that. Yeah. Got her? Bleeding out of her gill, man.
Where? No, that's just... I don't know what that's from. My hook's right there.
Get the length on her? You want to hold that like that? Just hold that like that. Long length.
Can't really see now.
Hold on.
20. 21.
21, almost 22.
Another go.
Almost 22. Same spot I caught my big one last time we filmed anything.
I can tell where she hit it, man.